Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial will be on how to draft this off-shoulder sleeve. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. So we need to calculate our measurements, the measurements that we'll be needing for this off-shoulder. So we need our sleeve head, and the second measurement will be our cap sleeve, and we need to take our round shoulder measurements. The measurements I'm working with is 49, and we need our upper bust measurements, and the upper bust I'm working with is 39. I will minus 39 from the 49, so I will have 10 inches. Then I will divide the 10 by 2, which will give me 5. Then I need ½ inch to join the sleeve to the bodies, so I will add a ½ inch to the 5 inches. That will give me 5.5 inches. So our sleeve head measurement will be 5.5. So the next measurement is our cap sleeve. To get your cap sleeve, you are going to divide your bust divided by 12 plus 1. Bust divided by 12 plus 1. The bust I'm working with is 42. If I divide it by 12, I will have 3.5. Bust divided by 12 plus 1 inch. So if I divide the 42 by 12, I will have 3.5. Then plus 1 inch, I will have 4.5. So our cap sleeve will be 4.5. Our cap sleeve will be 4.5. Then we'll need our armhole and our round sleeve. So now I'll be marking the measurements on my paper. I'm using my paper tape to hold the paper to the table so it will not be moving around. So now I will mark a straight line, because I'm not sure if the edge of my paper is straight. So to be on the safer side, I will mark a straight line, and the line will be my sleeve head. So the next line we need to mark now is our cap sleeve, and from our measurement, the cap sleeve is 4.5. So from the first line, I will mark 4.5, which is our cap sleeve. I'm trying to mark it to have an accurate line. So I will join all the points together, and this is our cap sleeve. So now I need to mark my sleeve length. the sleeve length I'm working with is 9. Then I'll add 1 inch for hemming the sleeve. The sleeve is 9 inch, then I add 1 inch, and that will give me the total of 10. I will connect all the points together to have a perfect straight line. And I will connect the seam allowance as well. So now we need to mark our sleeve head measurement. Which is 5.5. So I've marked the 5 and the ½ inch for the joining allowance. Then on the cap sleeve line, I will mark my armhole divided by 2. On the cap line, I will mark armhole divided by 2. The armhole I'm working with is 16. If I divide the 16 by 2, I will have 8. Then I add 1 inch for seam allowance. And on my sleeve length, I will mark my round sleeve. The round sleeve I'm working with is 14. 14 divided by 2 will give me 7. Then I add 1 inch to it. Then on the hem line, instead of 7, I will mark 7 1/4. The reason for the 1/4 is because to try to avoid the shortage on the hemline. So now I will connect the actual measurement to the armhole measurement, the 5 inch and the armhole measurement. And I will connect the seam allowance as well. So I'm trying to connect the seam allowance, the 2 seam allowance. I will do the same thing for the round sleeve and the armhole. The armhole with the round sleeve, I'm connecting the actual measurement and I'm connecting the seam allowance together. So this is what we have for our off shoulder sleeve. So I'm trying to cut it out now. I'm trying to take my time. So after cutting, this is what we have for our off shoulder sleeve. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in another video.